This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Denise Kleppen. Enjoy your morning coffee watching peaceful sunrises sliding over the shimmering pond. This spacious home, a 3-bedroom plus den, 3-bath saltwater pool Maria luxury home has the 10 to 12 foot ceilings, crown molding, 8-foot doors, outdoor kitchen and wood ceiling on the lanai that are so desired. This exceptional home features an airy kitchen that joins the family and dining room. The gourmet kitchen spotlights a built-in oven and microwave, Keurig coffee maker in the refrigerator and a large center island, with beautiful granite. Making life easy, this smart home exhibits the thermostat, door locks, doorbell, multiple cameras and even a remote garage door opener. For security you have impact windows and doors, an electric storm screen on the lanai and a generator with house wiring. Beyond the pool outside you will notice the private view, with a pond, complete with all the fauna and flora from your Florida lifestyle. Located in a great neighborhood with friendly people, what's not to love? This active 55 and better community provides an exceptional experience with multiple fitness centers, classes, indoor and outdoor pools, nature preserve trails, tennis and pickleball courts, 2 restaurants, outdoor dining, live entertainment, social activities, hobby workshops, a concert pavilion, movie theater and a Chip Powell designed 27-hole golf course with optional membership. Luxurious living in a safe, active, and easy care home and community. For more information, review the details below or contact Denise Kleppen at 239-339-7111.